Morning! This is day one of our Greece adventures. I've actually been here since Wednesday, but I picked her up yesterday. And yeah, we're going to Greek islands right now. It's currently like 6 a.m. in the morning and we are off to catch our early ferry to Naxos, where we'll be staying in some nice guest houses. I'm gonna be shooting a video for them as well and kind of exploring Naxos, which is the biggest Greek island in the Cyclad or Kyklad or however you call them. Ferry is gonna take 5 hours there. Hope we can catch some sleep because we only slept for like 2 hours last night. Catch some ferry. And there's a cat. Welcome to Naxos. It took around 6 hours with the ferry to get here. Should have taken like 5, but apparently Greek ferries are not very, punctual. We were picked up by the owner of this guest house, Vagilis, really nice guy. So we are staying here in this area called Agidia, like a village outside of the main town, maybe like 20 minutes walking. This place is called Agidia Guest Houses. For the next 3 nights we're gonna stay here, and while we are here, I'm gonna shoot a video for them. So they wanted some kind of video content for like their, I guess, social media and stuff. And yeah, in exchange for this really nice penthouse, which I'm gonna show you in a second, I'm gonna shoot a video, kind of like the experience you can have in Naxos and kind of with these guest houses. Let me show you a quick tour of the premises here. So here we have Judy.
Judy.
Yeah, relaxing. Nice thing is that somebody actually cancelled like last minute. So we got the upgrade here for this beautiful penthouse with this really nice view. Yeah, down there, that's over there, that's like the main town of Naxos. Then you got all of the sea over there. Take you inside. So we have like a small, kitchen area, bathroom here. Got a bathtub, which is pretty nice. And you got the very fancy main room with like the bed. Some really nice lights. They got a TV, which they also have Netflix here, so if you have your Netflix account, you can, watch Netflix on here. And yeah, got plenty of natural light and standard stuff like an AC, because it gets pretty hot in here. So yeah, that's where we're gonna stay for the next 3 nights. Still looks really like pristine and clean, simply because I want to take some video of it before we unpack everything and lay on the beds, and everything just gets kind of like messy. So yeah, right now we're just gonna chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go back to the main town. I'm gonna walk there and maybe go for a nice restaurant in the evening, take a slow day today, and then tomorrow we're gonna start the proper adventures. Guest house. We actually locked ourselves out once, so Judy had to climb through a small window through and got us back in. Right now we are on our way to the main town where we arrived earlier a from the ferry. We have to buy a few things. So for the video that I want to shoot, I'm gonna need like a straw hat for Judy. Also some snorkeling things for tomorrow when we go to the beach. So yeah, it's gonna be another 20 minutes walking though, because the guest house is a bit far away from the town if you don't have a car. So yeah, walking. So we are right now in what I think is the castle area, Castro. Yeah, you basically have a castle or the ruins of a Venetian castle in the middle, and then around it you have kind of like this very narrow streets with like white buildings and blue buildings, kind of what you imagine from like, you know, Greece. And yeah, it's a pretty nice area, and I think it's also, today is Sunday and it's like 4 p.m. or something, but there's basically no tourists. There's like, I don't know, we met maybe total 10 people while walking around, which is pretty cool. So can definitely recommend it. There's a museum as well, but it closes at 3 p.m. No, the museum
costs
about. There's a antique souvenir shop where you can go for free, but the museum closes at 3 p.m. and it's closed on Tuesday as well. So yeah, probably you have to be early.
But I mean, the castle is...
Yeah, the castle area generally is free, and you can also watch the ruins for free. And yeah, right now we are on our way back to the mission that we wanted to, which was to get that hat and some other things back in the town. Before sunset, probably at like a famous spot here in Naxos, which is, yeah, you're gonna see it a bit later. So update, we found a nice hat. We bought it at like a Chinese store, like €7.
What was it? Made in PRC.
Made in the People's Republic of China. We just walked around. There's like another really nice area when you go from the main port towards like the next street. Kind of, there's like this, again, like kind of really typical Greek, really nice like narrow alleys and like blue houses and stuff like that, which was pretty nice.
We haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, so we are right now at this gate. I don't know if you can see it behind me. That one over there, which is I read it once. I believe it's some kind of portal for some kind of god to go somewhere. The main reason why we're here is because the sunset is happening in that direction, and kind of in maybe like 45 minutes the sun is gonna set over the ocean, and you're gonna get a really nice view through this gate. And yeah, afterwards we're gonna go back to town, try to find something to eat.
Seafood.
Yeah, seafood hopefully. And that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go back to our apartments. And for tomorrow we already bought some bus tickets. We're gonna go for a beach day, like on the southern beaches of this island. Really excited to go diving. Well, she says swim, but she can't swim, so she's gonna chill on the beach.
I can, actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you how she can swim tomorrow, so you can see what she calls swimming. But yeah, enjoy some nice seafood footage and sunset footage coming up, and then see you tomorrow on the beach.